Hello guys, it's Rex. Today I'm drawing clownfish. Let's draw and paint together. I'm drawing the body of clownfish. I'm drawing its eye. I'm drawing the fins. It has 4 fins. I like drawing fishes. They are so colorful. Let's paint. Orange. Yellow. Green. I'm going to paint this clownfish body with rainbow colors. Blue.
Do you know the Muffin Man?
Pink.
The Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Do you know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane?
Yes, we know the Muffin
Purple.
Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Yes, we know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane.
Red.
Do you know the Muffin Man? The Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Do you
Clownfish
know the
live in the
Muffin
ocean.
Man who lives on
They are the
Drury
cutest
Lane?
fish in the sea.
Yes, we know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Yes, we know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane.
Do you know the Muffin Man?
This clownfish is so colorful and wonderful. See you on next video.